What's going on, everybody? This is Nick from House of Paint bringing you Barbarian Santa. Happy holidays to all of you. We are in the holiday season. I celebrate Christmas, so I was planning on doing a Christmas-themed project. Happy holidays to all of you out there. I hope you are spending some much needed time with family, that you're all happy and healthy and safe. And we've got Barbarian Santa here. Very cool model that I got from, I got this off of Etsy. And I will plug the shop in the description of the video. So if you're interested, you can find it in there. But very cool Santa with the cut off sleeves, kind of this barbarian great axe here. And we are going to kind of jump right in and paint him momentarily. But before we do, as always, just a friendly reminder to smite like and slam subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all the latest content that I'm putting out there in my quest to paint the manual. So without further ado, let's jump in. I'm gonna start things off with a base on his flesh of heavy red mixed with heavy skin tone. This is gonna be about a 50-50 mix. What I'm hoping to do is provide some nice shading in the recesses of the muscles. Now with pure heavy skin tone, I'm going over pretty much all of the muscles except for the recesses, leaving that heavy red base in there to provide some contrast. Now with a mix of fair skin and heavy skin tone, I'll be highlighting only the upper areas of the muscles that I really want to have hit by the light. Now with pure fair skin, I'll be applying the final highlights to the areas of the muscles that I really want the most pronounced. Getting in on the coat and pants with a base coat of heavy sienna and heavy red. Got a mid-tone of heavy red and bloody red pretty much over the entirety of the coat, leaving the base coat in the deepest recesses. Now with bloody red and orange fire, I'm going to be applying near to max highlight on just the more pronounced areas of the coat and the pants, those areas that are facing the light and affected by the curves. And with pure orange fire, I'll be highlighting the more drastic curves of the coat and pants to pretty much round out the red of the suit. I'm going to start off on the beard here with a base coat of heavy blue gray. And a base coat on the fur trim of his jacket, boots, and hat with Stonewall gray. Adding some white to the Stonewall gray, I'm going to be providing a mid-tone to the trim. And with some more white, providing a max highlight. Now adding some white to the heavy blue-gray, I'll be applying a mid-tone to the beard. And now with some pure white, I'm going to be going over this beard again in the upper curves to try to give it kind of that fresh, snowy appeal. Heavy Siena as a base for the belt. With some leather brown for highlights. Base coating the axe here with some thin layers of heavy blue-gray mixed with black. Adding some white to that mix, I'm going to be applying the first highlights to both sides of the axe. Now with a mix of MERFOLK turquoise and some white, I'll be applying some highlights to the upper edge of the axe blade to give it a look like it's reflecting the sky above. On the lower blade, I've mixed some white with bloody red to make the axe appear like it is reflecting Santa's jacket. With some more white to that MERFOLK mix, I'm going to try to give this axe a little bit of a shine. Some pure heavy blue-gray on the upper curve of the centerpiece of the blade. Some RHINOX hide for the handle. Some winter tufts on his base, and now scattering some Vallejo snow effect over that to give it like kind of a winter landscape look. And that is all she wrote. Barbarian Santa coming at you. I do wish you and your family a very happy and healthy Christmas and New Year's. Thank you as always for watching. Information on how to follow me on all my social media platforms is immediately following the video, as is information on how to follow Dominic Marriott of Credit UK and Mike Donnarummo of MVD Studios. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.